In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Klaviyo template. Imagine turning your email campaigns from just another message in your subscribers' overcrowded inboxes to standout visuals that engage and convert. That's the power of a well-crafted Klaviyo template, and today you're going to learn exactly how to create a one. Let's dive right in by starting at the very foundation, logging into Klaviyo. To get this ball rolling, you'll want to navigate to the Klaviyo login page. It's here you'll be greeted with a simple yet crucial step. Logging in, you'll find yourself prompted to enter your email and password. Take a moment here, make sure you're entering the accurate details to avoid any login hiccups. Once you've filled in your credentials, it's time to hit that login button and officially step into the world of Klaviyo. Welcomed by the user-friendly Klaviyo dashboard, you're now at the command center of your email marketing efforts. Next, we're going to find our way to the campaign section. Look for the campaigns option in the navigation bar. This section of Klaviyo is where the magic starts, where your ideas begin taking shape in the form of engaging email campaigns designed to capture and hold the attention of your audience. With a quick click on Create Campaign, we're off to the races. But before we sprint too far ahead, it's crucial to pause for a moment of reflection to consider your campaign's name. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a beacon for your campaign, guiding you and your team. Take a moment to choose a name that reflects the essence of your campaign and makes it easily identifiable at a glance. Now it's time to choose the type of campaign you wish to launch. Klaviyo offers a variety of options to ensure your campaign fits your exact needs. Whether it's a standard promotional email, a seasonal newsletter, or a heartfelt Thanksgiving message, Klaviyo's got you covered. After selecting your campaign type, clicking on Continue propels you deeper into the template creation process. Here we select our audience. Klaviyo allows for granular control over who sees your campaign. Maybe you're targeting a specific email list or segment. Whichever the case, selecting your audience is a step that demands accuracy to ensure your message reaches the right eyes and ears. With your audience locked in, hitting Next takes you closer to the creative aspect of this journey. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter, creating that blank email template. A blank canvas might seem daunting to some, but it's really an opportunity to bring your brand to life, to tell your story in colours, shapes, and words. As we stand at the edge of creativity, I encourage you to embrace the full extent of Klaviyo's template editor capabilities. Here you can add and manipulate template blocks, insert compelling images, craft engaging text, and maybe even sprinkle in a touch of personalization to make each recipient feel special. The last step in our journey today is simply to click Next after you've poured your creativity into crafting the template. This moment right before you finalize your template is a good time to pause and review your work. Check for alignment, ensure your message is clear, and your call to action is compelling. This is the moment to make any final adjustments before your template is ready to dazzle and engage your audience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an engaging Klaviyo template. Remember, a template is not just a vessel for your message, it's an extension of your brand, a visual representation of your narrative. Take the time to craft it carefully, and it will surely pay dividends in engagement and conversions. Before I sign off, I'd like to leave you with a few parting tips. First, always keep your audience in mind. The most beautiful template won't matter if it doesn't resonate with your subscribers. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment. Klaviyo's template editor is robust and forgiving, allowing you to try new things with minimal risk. Lastly, consistency matters. Keep your brand's look and feel consistent across all your templates to strengthen brand recognition. I hope this video helps you unlock the full potential of your email marketing campaigns with beautifully designed Klaviyo templates. Happy creating, and until next time, keep engaging and converting.